Terry here with Formerly Me at formerlyme.com. And in today's Motivational Minute, Mindset Minute, it's all about showing support. So here's the thing. I know that we're in challenging times and it's definitely tough. Everybody's teleworking, everybody's told to stay home, can't go out into public, whatever the case may be. Now, here's how you can show support during these times. Reach out to people. Give a phone call, give a text, okay? Give a shout out on social media. There's ways to interact and engage with other people. Keep in mind, just because we have to practice social distancing, it doesn't mean that we have to just ignore everybody. Reach out, ask if somebody's okay. Start up a conversation. Reach out to an old friend. All right? So social distancing doesn't mean that you have to just ignore people. That's my point. Show support, show love, share concern, share empathy. You don't know what somebody may be going through until you reach out and ask. Okay? So be safe, take care of yourself, wishing everybody all of the best. And until next time, this has been Formerly Me.